I welcome you all to this video is all about t-test, uh, independent t-test. This is what today's lesson. First of all, before we look into the IBM SPSS, first we need to find out the null hypothesis. Okay, what the null hypothesis says, there cannot be significant difference between two groups. For our experiment, we have group A, we have group B. Group A gender male, group B gender female. We have conducted an experiment, or we have conducted one examination. Male totally 3 male students and 3 female students appeared for exam, and they secured marks as follows. Male, first boy secured 30, one girl secured 75, and the second boy who secured 50, whereas the girl who secured 90, and third one boy secured 15 and the girl secured 95. This is what our results are. We need to, these are group A, group B. We find out, is there any significance between these two groups as far as the examination point of view is concerned. So we use this t-test. Based on the p-value, we can find out if the p-value is lesser than 0.05, then we need to reject the null hypothesis. What the null hypothesis says, there cannot be significant difference between two groups. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, then the null hypothesis is accepted. Okay, next we proceed with the IBM SPSS. This is Excel sheet of IBM SPSS. First, here we have data view and we have variable view. You select variable view and denote the first row as gender, and here the second row as variable. Once we indicate gender, when you select data, the first column will be assigned as gender and the second column will be assigned as variable. Okay, again you go to variable view, here gender and here variable, then you come here the values, select these values, you indicate value 1, indicate value 1 as male, add, and again you denote value 2 as female, then add. Before we start working out with the IBM, we must indicate gender 1 as male and gender 2 as female. Then you select data view, you include the first boy who secured, indicate here gender M. The first boy secured 30 marks. Second, the girl secured 75 marks. Then the boy secured 50. Then the girl secured, the boy secured 50, then the girl secured 90. Again, third boy secured 15 and the girl secured 95. So at last we have entered the following data. Then what we do? Select, analyze. Select, compare means. Select independent sample t-test. Gender is an independent variable. It must go to grouping variable, and whatever the data in numbers, it is a dependent variable, it must go to the test variables. Then here indicate gender, define the groups. Number 1 as male, number 2 as female. Then select continue, select continue. Now the data which is calculated, here we find mean for the 3 boys which we had given, and this is the mean for the girls, and standard deviation for boys and standard deviation for girls, and standard error for boys and standard error for girls. And this is the significant two-tailed. This is what the p-value. P-value is 0.10. Here we write the p-value is 0.01. This is what it is given. P-value is 0.01. 0.01 is lesser than 0.05. Okay. Therefore, the null hypothesis is rejected. What the null hypothesis is? There cannot be, or there is no significant difference between two groups. The null hypothesis is rejected. The answer is there is a significant difference between two different groups of A, that is male, and group B, female. This is how we interpret the data. Thank you so much.